Marty, I'm shopping for travel health insurance and I'm using internet search engines and I'm going to the websites of various companies and I'm comparing prices. Is price the way I should ultimately make my choice?
Absolutely not. The old saying, you get what you pay for. In this case, a cheap quote possibly means low coverage, deductibility, waiting periods, things that wouldn't occur to you unless you took the time to read carefully. So at the end of the day, if it is a low quote compared to a higher quote, there's a good reason for that.
Okay, so you're getting cheap coverage.
Correct.
And you're probably getting fine print that's going to trip you up.
It will for sure. The amount of coverage, $1 million, $2 million, $5 million, that can affect it. The deductibility, 0, 5,000, 10,000, that'll all affect the premiums.
Okay, so I'm not basing everything on price. What are the other criteria very quickly that I should be using?
You want to know the insurer's got the ability to pay. At the end of the day, again, you don't want to be dealing with a company that they're going to just underwrite at time of claim versus underwriting at time of application.
Marty, I'm shopping for travel health insurance and I'm getting quotes from various sources, and the obvious way to separate them is by price, but you're telling me that's not a great way to go. What other things should I be looking at?
There is a reason that something is less expensive than another, and a reason that could happen is they tell you what hospital to go to. You don't have your choice of hospital. They have an agreement, therefore lowering their premium because they've made some agreement of some sort. That could be a reason why the price is lower. At the end of the day, check the deductibility. Is it 0, 5,000, 10,000? Check the total amount insured, 1 million, 2 million, 5 million. That would all affect the price.
Is there any difference between the way the companies handle these things? Are some companies easier on their clients than others?
Yes. I find that some companies will underwrite at time of application, which is the ideal situation.
What does that mean?
Basically, the questions, they're asking them early on, and then at time of claim, it should be straightforward. Whereas others will be very happy to take your money, but at time of claim, at that point, they rip it apart and look for the problem.
Oh, I see. Okay, well, these are important things to look at. So don't make price your main point in choosing travel health insurance.
Absolutely not. It's the biggest mistake when you think of a potential claim of $300,000 and the consequences of it not being paid. It's not the time to look for a cheap price.
Okay, thanks, Marty.